Hey guys, this is Heri from Twitter. Let me introduce you to my new guitar. It's from the brand Ragnarök. You can see Ragnarök Guitars. Well, just Ragnarök written here in runes, and the series is called Mjolnir. On the back here you have the logo of the brand and it says here handmade in Sweden. And these are Graphtec tuners with a locking mechanism. That's quite nice. And then of course there's a locking nut here from Floyd Rose, and that goes along with this Floyd Rose bridge here, or the floating tremolo, which is a good old wonderful thing. And the pickup here is by EMG. This series is the 81 7X pickup, and it is absolutely state of the art, and it sounds just wonderful. The neck is made of one piece going through all the way down. It's made of maple, and these wings are put on secondary, and they're made of ash. Very nice detail here is that he's made the lids of wood as well. They're usually made of plastic, but these are wood. So how I got this guitar, recently our drummer Thaddeus Rickman made an endorsement deal with the brands Tama and Meindl, and they cancelled their endorsement deal with him quite loudly, and in the aftermath of that he got several offers from different brands for endorsement deals, and one of them was this Ragnarök Guitars. It's made by a guy called Tibor Papp, who's from Hungary and happened to be one of Thaddeus's old friends. So Thaddeus put me in touch with him, and the result was this wonderful guitar. The reason I didn't have any endorsement for many years is that I need 7 strings and at least 29 frets. Already on our first album I started playing higher than 24 frets. I did it back then by simply tuning the highest string higher so that I can reach some notes that I needed. And then I got the endorsement from Bjarnastein, the brown guitar you remember maybe, and that has 29 frets. A few years later I got the Ibanez endorsement, and they gave me a guitar with 7 strings and 30 frets. But they cannot mass produce that since it's simply unsellable in shops. Nobody uses that kind of guitars. So I've been looking for years, more than 10 years I think, for an endorsement, and I'm very happy with this, and I hope this will carry on into the future and that I soon will have more of these wonderful instruments. It is the finest instrument I've ever held in my hands. So that's it for now. Thank you and see you next time.